Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix UK Immigration ID Check app not working. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you want to check it out, head over to the App Store or the Play Store. In the search bar, search for UK Immigration ID Check and give it a go. Now, move on to this app and instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue. So once done, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device and then move into General. Inside General, head over to iPhone storage. In this page, you have to search for the target application. Once you found it, head over to it and tap on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App and it will get offloaded. After that, reinstall the app and wait for it to load. So that's basically how you can fix UK Immigration ID Check app not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.